everyone, so I just wanted to say welcome to this vlog. So I'm currently just sitting in my hostel room and I didn't film a proper intro to this video, so I just want to let you know. So in today's vlog, me and Tommy, everyone, you guys are probably going to be wondering who's Tommy. So Tommy is basically this guy that I met at the hostel that I've been seeing for a while now, and yeah, and he's also the guy that I'm going to travel up the East Coast with, and yeah, you'll see more about that later. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know, so if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe and follow my socials, and yeah, enjoy the video. At the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a little Q&A, so if you're interested in that, then stay till the end of this vlog.
We're out here surfing.
Hello.
Hello. Until?
So we've just been surfing and now we're going to set up camp. We've got a really cool scarf. I think it's from
Zara.
Yeah.
I think Turkey's good as Zara.
Hello. The group just came up to us. Oh, hi.
Who are you with?
Oh,
you're out with someone.
you are so cute.
Oh, what's the...
Oh, I think your owner is calling for you. I think your owner is calling. You are so cute. We're gonna set up camp here. So our blow up mattress has a hole in it. So we will be sleeping on the hard ground tonight, or we're gonna have to find another one. But yeah, this is our spot, it's beautiful. The sun is just about to set. It's really nice and warm. It's been like 29 degrees today. And I actually managed to catch a few waves. I don't know if I got it on the GoPro, but if I did, I will insert the footage. Good morning, world. So this was where we camped tonight, and now it's like 7 AM and we're gonna take a little morning dip. It's kind of raining, but I feel like I want to get in the ocean to wake myself up a little bit. Kind of very cold. There's like 3 other people on the beach, and I don't know why, because look at those clouds.
Okay, I'm going to chuck you in.
No,
Yeah.
you're not. Oh my god! Oh!
Wave.
Okay guys, I don't know how much you can hear or how much you can see it's raining, but it's like so nice. It's like out of film, and look at this wave!
I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I think that's a storm cloud out there. Big one. Under. question.
Yeah.
Very important question.
What?
What's next we got?
We just got to this lookout because it was pouring with rain, but now the sun is out. So we're gonna have some snacks and then go for a walk.
Check out the view.
So we just arrived at this lookout point and it was just pouring with rain, which I said. We were just swimming in the ocean and it was really nice. What is this lookout called? Yeah, I think we're at the tip of 1770 and the water looks so blue over there. The sun's kind of coming out, but it's still a few clouds. My hair looks so messy. We just had some snacks in the car, some falafel and hummus and a breakfast bar, and it was really good. I'm under this palm tree. Where are we?
We are down here.
Oh, Busted Bay.
I reckon that's where they keep all the backpackers.
We are at the top of the lookout right now and it is so nice. So we just went to Foodworks, got some salads. We're gonna have our salad wraps, our falafel wraps, and we packed the tent up. It was a big effort, but now we don't have to do it later. It's getting really hot now, the sun is out. And we're at the same beach we were at yesterday, but I'm just gonna leave my camera here, so I'll be filming on my phone. Might do some more surfing, bring the GoPro again, so that should be fun. And we're just gonna chill out. So yeah, I'll see you later. On the beach now. We've just been relaxing, tanning, eating falafel wraps, hummus. We've got lots of snacks. We've got these amazing nacho shapes, my favourite crisps, Sunbites. And we're gonna do some surfing in a minute, so that should be fun. It is barbecue time. We are making hot dogs and burgers. These are the burgers. And we're gonna watch the sunset. We're gonna sit down there and watch the sunset. Thank you for staying until the end. So as a little outro, I thought I'd do a little bit of a Q&A because I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me questions, and I just want to do a little real talk catch-up thing because I know a lot of you are probably confused as to what's going on. How have you found finding work in Oz? I want to come out next year, COVID pending. Yeah, hopefully COVID will be better next year, but as it looks of now, like, Europe's getting worse. Australia is good, but I honestly don't know when they'll be opening their borders. But finding work in Oz has been, well, farm work was pretty easy to find. It was really hard a few months back, like in the heat of COVID, because like no one was, like, it was really hard for everyone to find jobs during COVID, I feel like. But now I feel like it's not as hard because most of the backpackers that were here have gone home. But yeah, I haven't really tried to find a normal job here yet, which I will hopefully be doing next year for a little bit. I would love to work in like a little cafe or something. What tips do you have for eating vegetarian? I find it like really easy. I used to do a lot of like meat supplements, which are obviously super easy. Like you can get whatever dish you want to make. Like if you want to make a lasagna, you can use like corn, or if you want to make a burger, just use like a veggie burger. Like it's really easy. But now I've been trying to eat more like veggies, lentils and beans and things like that. Lentil curries with like mushrooms are really easy. Like chickpea curries, you can make like a lentil lasagna. I love eating halloumi, which isn't vegan but is vegetarian. It is super yummy. So a tip is to do pesto pasta with halloumi. It's like my easiest go-to tip. Also, halloumi burgers are best. Like if you've never tried a halloumi burger, you are missing out. How are you doing, hun? Thank you for asking. I'm actually doing really well right now. I feel like I'm at a really good place. There's a lot of change going on. Like I don't know if you know, but due to like health reasons, this sounds really serious, but like she's gonna be fine. Emma can't complete her farm work here, so she actually moved to Brisbane, which is really sad for me, obviously. But we both came to Australia without each other, so it's not like we came out here together, but I do really miss her. I'm going down to Brisbane tomorrow, obviously, and I'll see her then. And we are seeing each other for Christmas and stuff, so other than that, like, I'm doing really good. I'm really happy. I'm really excited for mine and Tommy's road trip that we're going on. We're leaving for it tomorrow. We've rented this camper van, and we have it for just over a month, and I'm just so excited. Honestly, this is the first time in Australia that I'm going to be able to travel like the way I wanted and kind of what I came here for, to see as much as possible. Favorite books this year, definitely The Power of Now. I have almost finished it, but I can definitely recommend it to anyone. It's really eye-opening. And also The 4 Agreements, which I read in the beginning of the year, and honestly it's such an easy, quick read. But everything in it is so true and so important to think about in your everyday life. So if any of you guys are struggling with anything, I feel like that book is definitely worth a read, because it just puts things into perspective and gives you the tool to live a more like happy, mindful life. Have you any idea what you want to do when you're back from Oz? Definitely next like big step for me would be studying. Although I still don't really know what I want to study, which kind of sucks. Like, it's obviously something that people stress about, and I obviously feel pressured, but then I've got my whole life in front of me to work and study. So people keep telling me not to rush it, so I'm kind of not trying to rush it, just because I feel like I need to study something. But I am planning on continuing my Spanish studies out here, maybe, because I can do them from home, which give me something to do when I'm out here. Maybe I'll take a course. I really don't know. I don't really have any plans. How do you feel about Australia? Is it weird being on the other side of the world? It definitely is really weird and a big change, especially now leading up to Christmas. Like, I used to love Christmas so much, and I'd always get in the Christmas mood in like November, and I'd be one of those really annoying people that would watch Christmas movies really early and just like, I don't know, I'm always super excited. But now it's like, because it's so hot outside, it's not cold, like I don't have that same Christmassy feeling. And obviously because like I'm so far away from my family and home as well, it's a bit weird. It's my first Christmas away from home, but I'm excited because I'm going to be spending it with so many lovely people that I've met on this trip. Does not going to uni stress you out? Because I want to drop out, but worried for future employment. Sometimes it stresses me out. Like if I'm speaking to people who have already been to uni or that are studying it right now, then sometimes I'm like, oh, I really know I should. But then again, I do have my whole life, and traveling is something I've always wanted to do, so it's not like I'm wasting my time away, like being unhappy. Traveling is making me grow so much as a person and just like realize a lot of things about myself, and I don't know, it just makes you realize how like independent and you are. If you want to drop out and you feel in your heart that that's the right decision, like if you just have a little voice telling you it, that voice is normally always right. So listen to that, and yeah, just go with what feels right. Do you see yourself living in Australia long term? I don't really know what you mean by long term, but I'm guessing you mean like 2 or more years. No, I don't really I can't really see myself having a family out here. I love the nature and everything, but it just doesn't have as much history and culture as Europe. How was your COVID training? It was great, thank you Lil. We had a personal trainer in the hostel who was training us for free, and he was so good. He's got a fitness brand as well, so I'll put his Instagram up here. You should definitely go check him out. What is your job in Australia, what you do for a living? So for the past 3 months I've been doing farm work. So I've been staying at a working hostel and I've been working on a farm. I've had loads of different jobs, like I've been digging potatoes, I've been digging sweet potatoes, I've been vining, which was horrible, it kills your back. I've been pruning macadamia trees. Today I was planting macadamia trees, it was quite fun. Yeah, I've just been doing lots of different farm related jobs. Do you believe in law of attraction? Yes, I kind of do. I believe that if you focus on the good, more good will come to you, and if you focus on the negative, you're gonna end up in a negative spiral, and everything that happens, you're just gonna see the negative in it. So I believe that you attract what you are and what you put out there. If you're a happy person, you're nice to people, and you spread joy, then I feel like you'll get that back. That was all the questions I'm going to be answering for today. I hope you enjoyed this little catch-up section of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed the actual vlog. It was actually really fun to edit. I love you all so much, and I hope you tune in for my next video. Follow my socials if you haven't already. Also, please leave a little comment of your favorite section in the vlog, or any video requests that you would like to see while I'm on the road in my camper van. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Can't you adjust the shutter?